I'll guide you through safely converting your PayPal funds into crypto on Binance without using the unsupported direct transfer method. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. The first method is by the bank/card transfer, which uses your linked bank account or debit card as the necessary secure bridge. First, log into PayPal and tap Transfer Money to start moving your funds off the platform. Select Instant Transfer if you need the funds immediately, but this comes with a small fee. You can also select Standard Transfer, which is free, but takes 1 to 3 business days to arrive in your bank. This first process moves your PayPal balance into your linked bank account or debit card, making the funds accessible for use on Binance. Next, open Binance and navigate to the Buy Crypto section. Choose your linked bank card, which must be the same bank/card you used for the PayPal withdrawal. Now purchase the desired cryptocurrency directly to complete the conversion and transfer. The second method is the Binance P2P trading, which allows you to buy crypto directly from other users who accept PayPal as a payment method. Open the Binance app and navigate to the P2P trading section. Use the filter to select PayPal as the payment method, which displays only sellers who accept PayPal. Choose a verified seller with a high completion rate to minimize your risk of fraud. Follow the platform's instructions to send the payment to their PayPal account. Always double-check the seller's identity and terms to ensure a safe and successful transaction. After the seller confirms receipt, Binance will release the crypto from escrow into your wallet. Remember, you must have a verified Binance account for full functionality and higher limits. Be aware of potential fees charged by Binance for card purchases and the fees charged by PayPal for instant transfers. Never agree to trade or communicate outside of the Binance P2P platform to ensure you are covered by their escrow service. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.